Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Book Vandal Shop. Things look a little different today, don't they? I'm in my shop, my new shop. Yay! So excited. We are finally done. So look for a tour very, very soon. I'll be getting that done. For today, though, I'm going to do a little flip through of this little journal that I promised a long time ago. And I'm sorry about that. So I'm just now getting a flip through done of that. I will have this on Etsy, let's say 7 p.m. tonight. So this is Saturday, October 16th. So look for that at 7 p.m. Eastern U.S. time. That's New York time, 7 p.m. I will make sure I put it on Instagram and on the community page here too. So anyway, let's do a little flip through of that real quick. If you like this recording process, let me know. Trying something a little bit new. Hoping maybe this will help me with audio and sound issues, as well as being able to keep things in frame better so that I can watch what's going on or what I'm doing on the computer. So we're just going to try that and see if it works. So this is the little journal that I made with the Kitty's Halloween kit. This one's in my shop. It's just a little small kit, nothing big, because you know when you're journaling for Halloween, you don't need a huge journal to journal just for one holiday or 1 month out of the year. So it is a very small little kit, but it was also created with card making or bag decorating, treat bag decorating in mind as well. So it's a one signature traveler notebook style. When the frost is on the pumpkin, instead it says when the cat is on the pumpkin. I thought that was kind of cute. That is a James Whitcomb Riley poem, and he was from Indiana, so it's kind of a nod to him. I have some little ribbon and trim snippets here, and a little Made with Love tag pinned there. And I kind of like this trifold version of doing covers because for one, it protects your page edges and your tabs or anything that's sticking out, and it also kind of helps keep things secure and keep them from falling out. So I kind of like that style. These are just pages from the kit that I printed front and back, as well as some coffee dyed pages. Here's some music page, Down in Sleepy Hollow, kind of spooky. This is a really old music page. I'm pretty sure Lisa gave me this music page, but I have reinforced the fold with some washi tape that I glued so to keep it secure, but that should keep it from getting too brittle and cracking and breaking and coming out of your journal. So the kit has actual like built-in lines and journaling spots in it. There's some little tags backed on the back. I just love this little cat. There is a cat, a little black cat, I think on every page in the kit. This is an actual ledger page from a 1930s ledger, and it was from a like a school board to record their meetings and other things about their school in it. So this is a annual report of pupils to teacher. I don't know. It was from Illinois, but I thought it kind of fit because it's kind of a kiddish Halloween journal. Here's some storybook pages out of a vintage storybook. I believe it was from like the 40s or 50s. So I put those together and created a pocket. It has some cute leaf illustrations there. Inside I have some eco-dyed paper. Not sure if this is some I did or Lisa did. I think this is some of Lisa's. Sorry. I know if I smell it. Paper from Lisa's, it usually smells really, really good. Yeah, that's just me being silly. Isn't he cute peeking up over there? And there's that cute little kitty again. Okay, this eco dye paper I know for certain is mine. This is from that day that Dakota and I did eco dyeing outside, because that is a grapevine leaf off of our grapevines. So that is an original eco dyed paper. Oh, and see, yep, there's even a little kitty right down there in the corner. He's hiding. This is a little postcard, front and back. This actually prints out, let me see if I have I know I have one over here. Yep. This actually prints out on the sheet this way. And I made sure that I put them together. You could cut them apart if you wanted to and use them as two different journaling cards, or, you know, fold it and glue it together to make it more sturdy and actually have a front and a back. This is a date book page from 1962. It's an original page, and it includes the Halloween date on it. It's over here on the other part of the signature. Okay, well, we'll find it in a minute. Just a glassine bag, little journaling card in it. Like I said, this kit is small, but it is not very expensive on my shop. I think it's only $3. Again, more places for you to actually journal with lines. So it doesn't take a lot of embellishing, really, to make a really cute journal with this. Just put the pages together with some other random papers, and you've got a really cute journal. There's that kitty peeking out again. This is just it's an odd shaped piece of paper. I think Lisa sent me a bunch of these. This one's coffee dyed. I just created a little place to journal. Something different. Yeah, there's the other half of that date book page with the Wednesday, October 31st date from 1962 on it. Let's see, what's this say? Halloween greeting. I thought I'd like to be a witch, and right up in the sky, I'm doomed to disappointment, 'cause I don't know how to fly. And 'cause was spelled like a caw, like a bird. I didn't come up with that. That was an old postcard. See, I'm almost out of frame. There we go. That makes it a little easier, though, being able to see yourself. There's the other part of that storybook page and some little leaves blowing around. Isn't it cute? And then this pocket is a journaling card, front and back. There's the other half of that ledger page, the little tab. And another tag. The other half of that music page. This fold has also been reinforced. It's not super brittle, but I just didn't want to take any chances. I don't know what the date is on there. You'd have to be able to read Roman numerals, and I can't. Actually, I think it's 1939, maybe? 1939? I don't know. Somebody correct me if they know how to read Roman numerals. I could have Googled it, but I didn't. All right, so that's the last page. I'll make sure I put my Book Vandal Shop label down here in the corner. And like I said, I will have that up in my Etsy shop at 7 p.m. tonight. So thanks for stopping by. And let me know what you think about it. If you've purchased the kit in my shop and you've made something with it, I'd love to see your projects. So, you know, just pop those up on Instagram or Facebook and tag me so that I can see what you've made. I'd really love to see your creations. And if you like this video style, let me know that too. That will be helpful. And I will make sure I put the link for this in the description box below. Okay. Thanks, everyone. See you later. Bye.